So before AA, I didn't even have a business. So I started with, I mean, I had the idea of establishing a business, but I wasn't really sure what I'm going to do. So I started looking at different options. And soon enough, I came across my one thing. I realized that, okay, this is something that I've mastered. I've been training people. So, okay, what am I going to do with this skill? So that's where I kind of got lucky and came across Sunny's videos, and then soon enough comparing with some other people in this space, I was like, no, I like her style, so let me go for it. So when I went on the call, I didn't even know what I was doing, but I said, okay, I'm gonna just give it a shot. So it wasn't like an overnight thing that happened, it's been a transition, I think, particularly for someone coming from the space of academia, trying to open up to the world of business, embracing that mindset that you can actually be a successful entrepreneur. So I think it has been a gradual shift, but I think the biggest thing that happened over the course of past, it's less than 2 years, but over the course of past a year and a half was that understanding that yes, you can be an excellent academic, excellent researcher, publishing fantastic articles, but also become an excellent entrepreneur with the right system, with the right mentorship. So the more I'm maturing in my life, the more I'm coming to understand the power of mentoring and having the proven pathway. I don't want to do anything without mentorship anymore. Anything new, any opportunity pops up, I'm like, okay, who can mentor me here? I don't want to do it alone. So I think that's the biggest part, that you could be good at whatever you're doing, whatever is your profession, but at the same time, you can also turn into an excellent entrepreneur. So that is, I think, the biggest realization. So there are multiple outcomes. Like I can categorize them into different categories. They're all important. Of course, financial part of it is one set of achievement, incredibly important. Then the wide outreach, the exposure. Like particularly as an academic, I think to put yourself out there and start sharing content. It's like it sounds so awkward, but with the right system and with the support and with that like embracing and opening up the new mindset, I started doing that. So what happened is that over the past 2 months, like I've mentioned in the community, I've managed to generate equal to the annual income that I've had, which is like kind of mind blowing. I'm like, what the heck is going on here? This is amazing. And then the outreach, of course, like having these beautiful people in my program, caring for them, seeing them succeed, that's another beautiful outcome. And also the exposure and things that happened as a result of that exposure, different invitations that I've received, the things that I did not believe would come in a normal academic life, that would probably never knock your door. But as a result of consistency and putting myself out there, incredible stuff happened that I'm super grateful for. Well, I've heard this some time ago from a business guru of some sort, that if you want to make a million, prior to that, you have to become a person that's capable of making a million. So I think the more I'm getting into this, the more I understand that there are a certain number of qualities about a person that actually steps into 7 figures, 8 figure, etc. So to develop those qualities, to become that person, there is a huge deal of inner work that you do along with the outer work, content creation, setting up a program, making sure everybody succeeds and gets the best of your program. So that inner journey, like the journey inward, has been equally powerful as the journey outward. And I think like a plant that starts growing, when you're planting a tree, a seed, it wouldn't grow even 1 inch outward unless it has its roots developed inside. So it always grows equally. So I think that's the whole essence, that it has allowed me to become a better person, develop certain qualities that I haven't had before, and also know myself better, understand my capacity and my potentials. Well, I mean, I've hesitated establishing a business for a year and a half. Like I was full on academic, and whenever my partner told me that you should really consider, so like, no, 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 thank you, that's not for me. But definitely, if I had known that it could be I could achieve great results, it could turn into something powerful and generate income, generate impact, I would have dived into it like straight away. But I hesitated. The analytical brain of an academic came in and prevented me from taking the leap. So for anyone who's considering such, don't hesitate. Trust yourself. Take a leap on yourself. Take a bet on yourself. And if you put the work in, it would definitely work for you. It would definitely pay off.